Hello all, welcome back to Python programming. In the earlier videos, we used loops to make different patterns like this one, this one, this one, and this one. Now we are going to move to our final pattern, that is this mountain and the reverse of this mountain. That means it is going to give me a diamond shape. So let's do the coding for this also. Go to the file menu, new file option. Then we will do a coding here. First, we will write how many lines we want for the upper triangle, right? So it is the same for the earlier one, which we did like 5. Then we did for J in range. What we did was 4 minus I, right? In the earlier video, I told you about the logic part behind this. Then we use the print statement to print the space, then end with this and the next line, and we had to print here for K also. For K, that is for the stars. For K in range, that is what 2 star I plus 1. I told you that it was making an odd number, that is one triangle, then one star, then another, then 3, then 5, then so it is making an odd one. So basically for that we now put a star here. Okay, I just want you to remember that it is very necessary to maintain indentation while we are doing Python programming like this. This statement is for this, so it should be behind this, and the indentation should matter. That is, the spacing matters here the most. So now print. Let's see what happens with this. So I'm just going to save that is in my desktop under my folder. I'm just going to I just want you to show what it looks like. Okay, so now I have saved and I'm going to run it, run module, or you can press F5. Now I see a mountain again, but now I want, like I did in the earlier video also, so now I want the mountain to invert after it. So I have to code it for a portion that includes this portion plus this portion, right? So it looks like a mountain, and we can like put it down here so we get a new code, right? So let's come back to our this. So let's now begin from here. So now this is end of the first part, that is the upward side of the mountain. Now we have to begin with the downward side. So how many lines we want again? That is 5, right? Like how many rows do we want? And now how many we need spaces? I told you that we need spaces. So I plus 1. Then we want to print here the space ending with a blank, then maintaining the indentation part, the number of stars we want. I'll tell you I'll tell you about how to do this, how to like reach this logic. I will tell you all about it. Firstly, write and just see what comes. Okay, so we want to do here the star part, print statement. Okay, ending with a blank. Now we want to print it all together, and here's a complete. So Control S, save. Now I do the run module part, and I just hope, see, it's a diamond. So now let's begin what we were talking about, I was telling about. for iron range 5. I hope this portion is clear to you all about how we made the upward side. Right. So now let's study about the downward side of the mountain. So how many lines did I wanted here was 5, right? So I put here 5 lines. Oh no, I should have written it 4 because the code we have done is for 4. Like I don't want a line to be, so I just save here once again and run module it again. Basically, when I did was 5, it was leaving a blank line here, but now when I did it for 4, it's not leaving a blank line here. So I can now like go through it once again, I can tell you. So till this portion, I hope it is clear to you because I have told you about this portion in my earlier video, how to make a mountain like this. Now the major part of this video was to make a mountain downstairs. So we, for iron range 4, like we want 1 2 3 4, we want 4 lines, but in Python it starts from 0 to, so 4, it was up to 4, so we get up to 3, that is 0 1 2 3. So it means 4, counting it 4. So we get 4 lines here, then I in range 4, that means first I is equal to 0, then we go in the j part, then j is I plus 1, that means I plus 1, that means still 1, that means here is a space 0, it was 0 1, so I in range 1, that means it goes up to 0 only, so we get one space. Then how to build up the logic part here is that it is a, like you can say the first line or the zeroth line, and here we, how many stars do we want is that it counts here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 9, and now it will be reduced to 7, like because we are cutting off one star from the front and one from the end, so we get back to 7. Now when you notice there are 5 stars and 3 then 1, that means earlier you were doing 2 star I plus 1, but now you have to subtract an even number from an odd number, and I guess the 7 will be the most appropriate choice, because if I am subtracting uh, 0 from 7, then I am getting 7 stars. If I am subtracting 2, then I am getting 5 stars. If I am subtracting 4, then I am getting 3 stars, and when I am subtracting 6, that is 2 star 3, then I am getting 1 star. So I get my coding like this, and the final print statement is like it prints all them. So it prints all the I also, like it goes throughout. So I hope this video is clear to you. Just go through, maintain the indentation part. This is the most important part. If you lose it, then your program is not gonna work as it is shown to me right now. Thank you all.